Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Wednesday and thus happy hump day. Today we're looking at the recent dip that we've seen in Bitcoin and we'll give you 5 reasons why the price went below $8,200 here on beincrypto.com. Bitcoin pre-Halvening dump could spell disaster, and some people are saying here on u.today, some analysts I should say, don't necessarily expect the Bitcoin price to repeat past halvenings. And by repeat past halvenings, we mean repeat past positive performance. We'll take a look at that as well as this on altcoinbuzz.io. After Bitcoin, Winklevoss twins enter blockchain gaming and NFTs. Then we have a giveaway that we're going to be telling you about here, courtesy of Rhovit. We'll let you know what that is all about, as well as give you a bit of an introduction into who they are and what they do. Then a second giveaway that we're going to tease for later in the week relating to Crypto Tag, which is a product that we are quite fond of over at Altcoin Buzz. This is not a sponsored piece, but we'll let you know what they do, who they are, all that jazz, etc. Let's first begin with a snapshot of the market on coinmarketcap.com. Total market cap today, $222 billion. Bitcoin has fallen significantly in the last day or so, only down 1%, but down quite a few percentage points the previous day. Still sitting above that $8,000 support, $8,112 at the time of this recording. Dominance relatively unchanged at 65.9%. Here on CryptoVest.com, 5 quick reasons why Bitcoin may have dipped below the 8,200 mark. The Bitcoin price took a downward trend after the recent $10,000 peak as market participants may be capitulating or surrendering. Reason number 1, China's unfavorable comments. We're all hoping for Bitcoin to really jump higher than 10,000 and continue its run around Halloween time, but now we have some relatively negative comments out of China. A CCTV1 feature program called Crypto Assets Scams and Ponzi Schemes, and they seem to be differentiating cryptocurrencies from blockchain. So today, CCTV1, CCP official channel, featured another investigative work of cryptocurrency on which I would consider 60 Minutes or even higher profile TV program. Cryptocurrency is unregistered security, financial fraud, and illegal Ponzi. A lot of people saw that. A lot of people absorbed it. Not very good. Reason number 2, Plus token is still exiting. One of the speculations about the Bitcoin rally in the summer was that the price was pumped by whales related to Plus token. The scheme took up significant funds in Bitcoin, adding to the demand and hype. Reason number 3, good old doubts about the bull market. Bitcoin managed to double its price in 2019 so far, and even with the correction from June's peak prices. But now the trend will have to show the expectations on whether the leading coin would manage to break out again. There are no significant events that could boost Bitcoin prices outside of unexpected market moves provided by whales. And now the Bitcoin price will have to seek a new bottom and show that it can break out of the trend. Reason number 4, bulls versus bears. The market shows volumes of about $18 billion, and analysts see the signs of a fight between bulls and bears. The price pressures may increase volatility and lead to Bitcoin price to behave erratically. And currently the fight is for rather dramatic moves, either a slide to below $8,000 or another rally to the $9,000 level. And finally, people may just be waiting for the holiday season because Bitcoin is stuck at a relatively low price right now, but the year end is often seen as a time for rallies. Sellers may wait to liquidate, avoiding taxable income for 2019, instead rolling it over into the next year. However, there are those out there, holidays or not, that feel like the Bitcoin price performance will be underwhelming in the coming months, and that's even despite the halvening. So the upcoming Bitcoin halvening, obviously we've been talking about it, remains a predominant narrative of the bulls who hope for enormous price gains. Leading cryptocurrency market analyst Willy Woo states that the Bitcoin price might not experience another massive price rally this time around. Willy Woo stated the following on November 18th, never gone into a halvening in bearish price action. Miners already capitulating, adding sell volume. Historically, we front run with a bullish setup. Miner capitulation only after halvening when revenues are slashed. This is a unique setup, quite bearish leading up to the event. It looks like a lot of weaker miners have left the scene. The weak hands effectively have decided that this is not worthwhile for them. We've seen price highs of $14,000 this year for Bitcoin, and we're now down to just about 8,100 with about 6 months left until the block reward will be reduced, as you all know, from 12.5 Bitcoin to 6.25 Bitcoin, and miners may already be on the verge of capitulation. That may be hyperbolic. Some of them certainly are, but definitely not all. As reported by u.today, there is a 60% 20% chance of another massive hash rate drop, which will be similar to the one that took place in December 2018 when the Bitcoin price nosedived to $3,100. Personally, I'm just not that worried about capitulation. I'm not worried in massive volatility, because if you do have that situation, the free markets are going to come in and equilibrium will save the day. If a lot of people exit, a lot of other people will basically rush into that vacuum, into that gap, and fill the space organically due to natural market pressures. However, if you want to take a look at a little bit more pessimism, I suppose you can check out this article as well, beincrypto.com. Bitcoin pre-Halvening dump could spell disaster. Again, they're quoting the same analyst, Willy Woo here, at Woonomic on Twitter. Here now on altcoinbuzz.io. After Bitcoin, Winklevoss twins enter blockchain gaming and NFTs. Did you know that this is something they were involved in? Article by Ezekiel. The Winklevoss twins have acquired a digital collectible trading platform. So Gemini and Nifty Gateway have just made a twin-to-twin connection. The Winklevoss brothers, the founders of the Gemini exchange, have made their first ever acquisition of a company which also belongs to twins. So Nifty Gateway is a platform for trading non-fungible tokens. We call those NFTs, and has been acquired by the Winklevoss twins. And coincidentally, the founders of Nifty are also identical twins. As Ezekiel writes, NFTs are definitely a fun way to look at cryptocurrencies and to be introduced into that space. So it should expose more people to a new light in crypto. Here's what Tyler Winklevoss had to say recently in a recent Medium post. Quote, "There are many collectibles in the real world, such as stamps, baseball cards, Magic the Gathering cards, and Tamagotchi pets, just to name a few. There are also several examples of digital collectibles inside popular online games such as Fortnite, Overwatch, and World of Warcraft, with multi-billion-dollar economies emerging as players buy and trade skins, dances, and other in-game items. Over time, we believe that both real-world and digital collectibles will migrate onto blockchains in the form of Nifties or NFTs." We now have a couple of giveaways to discuss, and we're beginning with this one by Rhovit. If you've not heard of them, their mission, the core promise of crypto, is stunning. Anyone, anywhere in the world, regardless of wealth, can play a game, take part in an airdrop, use a platform, and immediately be brought into this interconnected world of reward and value. The goal of Rhovit is to grow that space and create an environment that takes away all barriers to entry and opens up the space to a whole new group of users. How? By creating fully functioning ecosystems using entertainment, gaming, and shopping. Here's a quick 30-second video explaining it all. There you have it, and you have 28 days left to enter this particular competition. They're giving away all kinds of things: engine tokens, Spirit Clash items, and t-shirts. And we're happy to announce that with help from Altcoin Buzz, the top prize just increased from 1,000 engine to 1,500 engine. So there you have it. Check out more about Rhovit here on their website, Rhovit.com, where you can learn a whole bunch of what they're up to. They look like they're a great project, and they seem to have some rather impressive initiatives under their belt. Finally, for today, we are talking to you about a giveaway that is going to take place in the future, in the not too distant futures, a few days from now. So we went around looking for great products, but besides hardware wallets, and actually we found one that we really like, and we're going to be using it in a giveaway to our community. And this is not sponsored by the product in question, Crypto Tag, but we really like what it is that they produce. So we're going to feature it anyway. It can be used for many hardware and mobile wallets as well, using the BIP39 word lists like Trezor, Ledger, and Engine Wallet. Later this week, we will include on how to use Crypto Tag Thor in one of our videos. But here's some info about the giveaway, which again is coming up shortly. We'll give you more information about that in the days ahead. First of all, the giveaway starts today and ends on Saturday, the 30th of November. All following giveaways after this will be from Saturday to Saturday. So we'll give you guys a full week of notice and heads up. You got to subscribe to Altcoin Buzz YouTube. You got to drop a like and a comment in the video in question. We will do a random number generator on random.org and select one video from the 20th to November 30th. We will then pick a random comment using Raffle Dash. The winner must connect with us, Altcoin Buzz, on the email address on the About Us section of the channel within 48 hours, and we will then pay for the shipping of the prize you've won, not the import taxes depending on the country that you live in, but definitely for the shipping. So that's all you got to do. Remember to subscribe to Altcoin Buzz, leave a like, leave a comment, and then keep checking in. We'll hopefully draw your name. You may as well enter. You may as well be the winner of our contest. That about wraps it up for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on altcoinbuzz.io as well as all the regular social media channels. Keep checking back into the website, of course, for updates. Check below in our links as to how you can get a $50 MCO card, a $60 Bitcoin credit on AAX.com. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter as well. Best of luck if you choose to invest on this hump day. But as always, everybody, I'm wishing you a great midweek, and we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.